the first case of China's new and deadly coronavirus has been reported here in the U.S.
Are there words about a pandemic at this point?
No, we're not at all, and we have it totally under control. It's one person coming in from China.
The number of known coronavirus cases in the U.S. skyrocketed.
We're going to be pretty soon at only 5 people.
83,000 more than have been recorded in China or Italy.
The death toll in this country surpassing 20,000. America's deadliest day yet.
I've always known this is a pandemic. I felt it was a pandemic long before it was called a pandemic.
America, a global superpower with the largest economy on Earth, was woefully underprepared for the coronavirus pandemic.
Find that patient now. We need the patient to go upstairs, please.
Now, as thousands of lives have been lost and millions are threatened in the process, the question remains, why?
Our volume is just exploding, and we have so many people in the hallways that are all COVID positive.
The Trump administration has faced intense criticism for a lack of urgency in action and in prioritizing tests for the virus. Testing kits faced manufacturing issues, delays, and now shortages around the country, with an alarmingly high return rate of positive results. The US government is estimating a best-case scenario of 100,000 to 200,000 deaths. A study published by Imperial College London predicted that unless aggressive action is taken, coronavirus could kill 2.2 million Americans in the coming months.
We've not received a single test kit.
And we were not able to get them a test.
They actually said, we don't do coronavirus testing here.
The supply chains are stressed. Human beings are stressed.
The testing failures only underscore an already challenged US healthcare system. America remains one of the few developed nations lacking universal healthcare. 30 million Americans are uninsured. Millions more have their health insurance tied to their employment status. As American workers lose their jobs, they face the prospect of losing their healthcare too. Coastal state health systems like New York's and California's are experiencing the worst of it already.
This is still so new to us, so we're just doing what we can, and we don't know what's going to happen.
But COVID-19 remains a looming threat to the many states that make up America's poorest region, the South.
We are continuing to have services.
Virus feeds on fear. I don't have fear, I have faith.
We have nothing to fear but fear itself. We had an emotional time, had water baptisms, and a lot of people saved today.
The US has finally started to catch up to the rest of the developed world in responding to COVID-19. While on the front lines, America's dedicated healthcare workers are fighting hospital capacity, supply shortages, and emotional exhaustion.
I broke it down, not on calls, but it's the moments in between. It's the quiet drive home. It's hearing a song on the radio. People I know personally have passed from this. But you just keep trucking. The day has to end at some point.